Alright, this is the final project for my Introduction to Digital Media class. This is Jay Jansen. So I'm going to show you my website, which is jjansendesign.com. So that drives you to my website. I have my little animated logo in the top bar, and I have a link to my resume in the bottom bar. Each of my projects has a rollover state, and then I have my contact info always present in the top bar. So if you go to my first project, it's my show reel, essentially a compilation of all the different projects I've done. Just little like clips from each animated project so that you can see kind of a breadth of my work. We won't go through all that, but you get an idea. You can flip through the projects from there. The animated logo animates each time. And kind of see, I got an in progress page here for this video, which I'll record at the end of the semester when I get people interacting with the visual pieces here that we're going to project onto the windows during DAppWorks. You can go back to the main page this way, or you can always go back to the main page by clicking on the top logo. Yeah, so the hover states basically just give you a brief summary of the project when you hover over them. My resume has my skills that animate in. It is actually coded in the website, not just a PDF, so you can kind of go through here and it repopulates because it's responsive with media queries. You can also follow this link to the website or the Vimeo pages of the jobs I worked at, so Infinite Scale directs you to that website. You can also go to my Vimeo page and learn a little bit about me in my About Me section. I didn't include this as a separate page because this is actually going to be my website that I use for my professional portfolio website, so I had to set it up the way that was best for that, but I have plenty more than 4 pages, and I have all the information that was required on here. I kind of combined these 2 pages. Yes, that's it. I'll show you how I made it, which was essentially by coding it by hand. If you go to my documents, these are the HTML files. They link to CSS files for the styling, cascading style sheets, and yeah, so each page is its own HTML file, which I coded using Sublime Text. You can see that, and then each hover state is also an external HTML file that is just brought in as an iframe. Same with my skills section, which I made those with Google Web Designer, which is essentially a web banner thing, but it allows you to do some nice HTML5 animations. So yeah, that's pretty much it.